guys? I'm Fanboy from Super Lake Fanboy. And remember that video when I did Meet Hero by Max Frogs? And you saw a cat. And this is it. This is my buddy Lucky. He's a orange and a yellowish cat. And he's my buddy. Where are you going? And he's a good purr. Come here, boy. Yeah, good boy. Oh, you are. Oh, come here, my boy. Come here, boy. He's a very good looker, too. Here, let me show you. No. And he's pretty soft, and this feels like fluff. Come here, Lucky. And some Lucky, come here. And he's just saying hi to the camera. He's my best friend. And we got him on St. Patrick's Day. I think he's saying hi. So that, guys, that's just my cat Lucky. Please leave a comment down below and tell me which ones I do next. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Say bye, Lucky. Bye-bye.